So along those lines, one of the areas I know you've both been very interested in is machine learning and AI, as it's been called in the past. And in the past, it's never quite reached its potential or speculated potential. How far do you think it is as a technology, and how much of a role do you think it plays going forward?
Well, look, this is our latest model right here. See, not perfect yet, but doing pretty well. So in the machine learning realm, we have several kinds of efforts going on. There's, for example, the BRAIN project, which is really machine learning focused, and it takes inputs such as vision, and in fact, we've been using it for the self-driving cars. It's been helpful there. It's been helpful for a number of Google services. And then there's sort of more general intelligence, like the DeepMind acquisition that, in theory, we hope will one day be fully reasoning AI. Now those are obviously computer scientists have been promising that for decades and not at all delivered. So I think it would be foolish for us to make prognoses about that. But we do have lots of proof points that one can create intelligent things in the world because all of us are around, and therefore you should presume that someday we will be able to make machines that can reason and think and do things better than we can.